From buildings and bridges to automobiles, power infrastructure and water pipelines, steel is one of the most important materials supporting India's growth. But behind every steel product is a massive manufacturing ecosystem involving iron ore, coke, blast furnaces, steel making and advanced rolling technology. One company operating across this entire value chain is ESL Steel Limited. Formerly known as Electrosteel Steels Limited, ESL Steel is now part of the Vedanta Group and operates an integrated steel plant in Bokaro, Jharkhand. So, what exactly does ESL Steel manufacture, what is its growth strategy, and why is the company worth watching? Let's find out. ESL Steel Limited is an integrated steel producer located in the Bokaro district of Jharkhand. The company is a subsidiary of Vedanta Iron Ore Steel Limited and operates in the long product segment of the steel industry. Its current crude steel capacity is approximately 1.5 million tons per annum, with plans to expand capacity to around 3 million tons per annum through brownfield development. The company's integrated manufacturing facility includes sinter plants, coke ovens, blast furnaces, oxygen facilities, basic oxygen furnaces, billet casting, rolling mills, a ductile iron pipe plant and captive power generation. ESL Steel has a diversified product portfolio. Its major products include TMT bars, wire rods, pig iron, billets and ductile iron pipes. TMT bars are widely used in construction and infrastructure. Wire rods are used in applications such as industrial wires, fasteners, springs, tire reinforcement and automobile components. And ductile iron pipes are particularly important for water infrastructure. The company has also introduced dedicated brands for its finished products, VXEGA for TMT bars, VWIRRO for wire rods, and VDUCPIPE for ductile iron pipes. One of ESL Steel's important characteristics is its integrated manufacturing model. Instead of simply purchasing semi-finished steel and converting it into finished products, the company's facility incorporates multiple stages of steel production. The process starts with raw materials and moves through coke and sinter production, blast furnace operations, steel making and billet casting. The billets can then be processed through rolling mills into products such as TMT bars and wire rods. This integrated structure can provide greater control over production, quality and resource utilization. ESL Steel's long-term opportunity is closely connected to India's infrastructure and industrial growth. India continues to invest in roads, railways, housing, power infrastructure, manufacturing and water infrastructure. These sectors require large quantities of steel and related products. The company is also targeting a significant increase in its production capacity, from 1.5 million tons to approximately 3 million tons. If successfully executed, this expansion could significantly increase ESL Steel's production scale and market presence. Another important aspect of ESL Steel is its focus on product quality and certifications. The company maintains certifications covering areas such as quality management, environmental management, occupational health and safety, information security and energy management. Its products serve multiple industries, including construction, automotive, industrial machinery and equipment, and water infrastructure development. This diversification helps ESL Steel participate across several important segments of the Indian economy. Overall, ESL Steel Limited represents an important part of Vedanta's steel ambitions and India's growing steel ecosystem. With an integrated manufacturing facility, a diversified product portfolio and plans to double its crude steel capacity, the company is positioning itself for the next phase of growth. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mira Associates for more educational content on unlisted companies and the unlisted share market.
Mira Associates provides assistance for unlisted share transactions only. We do not provide investment advice or recommendations. Investments in securities are subject to market risks. Please conduct your own research before making investment decisions.